those were just my Christmas tree Little Debbie cakes. And we just went ahead and blended it so that would be crumbles. Next, I'm coming in with 1 block of softened cream cheese right in our large bowl. And I'm gonna bring back in my hand mixer and we are gonna whisk up our cream cheese with our Little Debbie Christmas tree cakes. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious no-bake dessert. I absolutely love making this for the holidays. You can make it with your kids. You can make it super quick for just a fun little party snack. So let's go ahead and turn up the speed so we can really get those two blended nicely together. All right, now that that's nice and mixed together, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of my pure vanilla extract right into our bowl. Maybe a little bit more. I really like vanilla. Perfect. Okay, and we're gonna blend this one more time with our hand mixer, and then the hand mixer is gonna be put away. Okay, that looks perfect. Now I'm bringing in my 8 ounces of thawed Cool Whip, and I have my cute little Christmas tree spatula, and we're gonna use this whole container of Cool Whip and put it right in there with our Little Debbies and our cream cheese. Oh my goodness, those Little Debbies smell incredible. I'm so excited to try this, and we're gonna go ahead and fold in that Cool Whip with our little cream cheese Little Debbie mixture. This is gonna make it nice and fluffy and just oh so decadent. Just make sure you kind of just fold it instead of mix it so that we don't deflate our delicious Cool Whip. All right, once our mixture kind of looks like cottage cheese, that's when you know it is ready. Okay, and I have here my cute little serving platter and a smaller bowl, and we're gonna transfer our mixture right into our small bowl. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be such a fun presentation for your parties too. And this little mixture right here tastes incredible. I'm gonna give it a little taste test. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have here some Christmas sprinkles that we're just going to put right on top. This is optional. You don't have to add any sprinkles. There are sprinkles already on top of the Little Debbies, but I just want this to look extra festive. Perfect. And then so people know what they're eating, I have one full Little Debbie here that I'm gonna take out of the package right in the center, just like this. How cute is that? All right, and to fill up our platter, I have some strawberries here that I'm just gonna kind of put right here in a nice little formation. Next, I'm gonna come in with my little gingerbread cookies, and then these are just gonna go right on the side of the strawberries. Now, for everyone's favorite cookie, I have some Christmas Oreos. Open this up. Look how delicious those look. And of course, those are gonna go right here. All right, you guys, our fun no-bake dessert dip is ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little gingerbread man, and let's go ahead and dig into our Little Debbie dip. Oh, this is gonna be so good, you guys. That is like Christmas in a bite. So good, you guys.